Thank you, Amir, for being here, obviously, but we have one test we want to do with you before. We've done some research and heard that you can solve the Rubik's Cube, which very few people, only geniuses and super intelligent people can. Amrish, you can.
Of course.
And I can, but we don't want to show our skills here. So the challenge for Mr. Amir Khan is the Rubik's Cube, and let's see if he can do it. I don't know how to do this. You're kidding. Seriously? Okay, give it a try. Come on. Okay, let's see. And if you win, if you actually get to do it, then Amir sir will do the rest of the show. This is my wow. ठीक है, sir. Not bad. Okay, now Amir, no cheating, huh? I have no idea. Okay, he's done white more or less. No, because this is we researched this, and apparently you're the only person who can do well-known celebrities who can actually do this. You and Mulayam Singh, but he didn't come for the show. Sorry. Okay, not bad. Amish?
Is somebody timing this?
Yeah, we are timing it.
Well, I speak fast at one time.
अरे कर रहे हो यार, you can't focus on everything. Amir, we only have 20 minutes of the whole conference. What if we tell Rubik's Cube and not Windows 8? I'm worried about that.
I'm worried about it too.
Not bad.
I'm amazed that you don't have to look at it half the time. Sometimes I look at it. Sometimes you look at it, yeah.
But what I like is he said he can't do it, and he did it so quickly. Amir sir, pressure. Shabash, last over, 6 balls. Okay. Wow, yellow. It's amazing. Almost done. Really?